guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create, change the colors of your word per word caption on CapCut PC. I'm just going to select the record button and record myself saying something just for the auto caption. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. There we go, and then I'm just going to simply go to text and add in the auto captions, and I'm just going to select create out of that audio. Okay, it's taking longer than it should be. I just literally said hello. Okay, there you go. And to make it a word per word, you're just going to select the captions here, and you have to just select everything and, press the enter bit like that, and then that to separate it. It does take a long time. It is pretty tedious. There you go. And for the font, we're just going to select the same font, so go to text, and I'm just going to adjust the font size, and I'm also going to select the same font for the same thing. Well, apparently, okay. But I want different colors for it, and if I press this, it will be applied to everything. So what I'm going to do is deselect apply to all, and then now I can select the text one by one and change the colors to my liking, like that. And again here, then this one as well. You can choose any colors that you want, of course. But yeah, that is pretty much it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!